Yo. So what's going on? A lot of people want to know the story of how I got started trading Forex. So right now, just at the house, winding down, you know what I'm saying? Watching some, listening to some Grant, you know what I'm saying? But how I got started trading Forex. So, maybe like, what, 7 years ago? Something like that, 7 years ago, I ran into this chick on Facebook. She was like teaching Forex and shit. She was charging like $25 or something like that. So that's what kind of introduced me to the idea. But just kind of coming in and being around that circle, after I started learning with her for a minute, I didn't really get it because yes, she taught me, but then I still didn't like understand it. So I went on YouTube and just, you know, started my journey. Lost a lot of money initially. Shit, let me see, what was my first deposit? I think I fucking deposited into like markets where I was trading binary options before Forex, you know what I'm saying? So the first thing was Markets World and FX Glory, boom, those two brokers, all right? So both of those brokers are shut down now, probably for illegal practices or whatever the fuck, you know, these foreign exchange brokers, man, shit, you know? But after those programs, that literally kind of just helped me get my feet wet. So I'm just gonna take you back all into my journey. So my first deposit was probably like $100 or something like that. I remember I was in Atlanta at that time. I was living with my mom at that time, and really she used to just call me lazy and shit. Come upstairs to call me lazy, you fucking lazy, like you need to go get a job, you need to go do this, you need to go that. And I'm like, nah mom, I'm grinding, I got this, like, you know what I'm saying? So that was me really like in the stages of just trying to figure this shit out, you know what I'm saying? And that was that. So then just giving you guys a bit of insight on what the foreign exchange industry looked like at that time. So now everybody's fucking selling courses, but back then, like, nobody was selling courses. People were fucking trading. They were learning a skill. They were really putting in the work to know what was going on. This was before mentor tips and Ocean Sky, Periscope. I don't know if you guys even know about Periscope and all of that shit. This would be way before what was Word 3 Associates out? I think W3A, yeah, I think Word 3 Associates was out at that time. Shit, it was hella trading programs out, you know, but just like I said, I just wanted to give you my journey. All right, so then after making mistakes, I probably became profitable in like 6 months or some shit like that. It was pretty quick, because like foreign exchange is you at the end of the day. Like if your financial skills are horrible, if you don't know how to invest or save, or I mean a budget and be a consistent budgeter, then you can fucking lose. Like, because like if you're greedy, your greed will consume you in this market. And a lot of people won't tell you that. Like they want to sell you a get rich quick course or whatever the fuck, but in the end of the day, investing is you. You have to learn how to invest. And if you don't put in the work to learn how to invest your money, then you won't be successful. I mean, yeah, you can go give it to somebody else. Hey, however the fuck that works, you know, but yeah, so I'm still in Atlanta at this time. It's like, I don't know, I think it was like 20, fuck, was it 20, what year are we in, 2019 now? I think we're in 2019 now, so that was like 2012, 2013, some shit around there. Yeah, one of those 2 years. So I'm staying with my mom at that time. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure it out. I was talking to my fiance well, she wasn't my fiance back then, but I was talking to her at that time, and she was like, oh, I'm gonna come to Atlanta and I'm gonna come see you. Oh, okay, cool, okay. So then she comes out to Atlanta, and I really start taking that shit serious. I'm like, damn, I want to be able to buy her shit and go places and really just enjoy, you know, enjoy a female. You feel me? So shit, that was kind of like my hunger. So, you know, a few months down the line, we were able to get my own place. We were homeless for probably like 2 or 3 weeks, some shit like that. I got into it with my grandma. I got kicked out of my mom's place and had to go to my grandma's house, and got kicked out of my grandma's house. And she told me I need to go be a man, especially if I'm bringing women, all type of other shit. So I was like, you know what, fuck it. I'm gonna be a man, hold it down, and that's just what it is. That's just what it's gonna be, and that's just what it was. You know what I'm saying? So we get our place and stuff, and I'm still trading. I'm still doing all type of other shit. Before I even started trading, I was working at Macy's. I was working at fucking like when my mom, she told me to get a job, but then I had a car too. So I mean, like Forex wasn't paying the bills. I had to go fucking slave and give me some bread. You feel me? Like, and then I was a part of like 3 network marketing programs. Yo, boy was trying to do everything for some bread at that time. You feel me? So I was a part of the network marketing programs and shit, and you know, all type of shit. So my trading journey, like I said, it's kind of bounced around. Just starting to trying to like get money at first, but then I figured it out, like it's not necessarily about getting money. Like, yeah, it's getting money, but it's a game. It's consistency. It's consistent gains over time. And when you figure out, when you can kill the money part, because you know the money will come, and just focus on the skill and focus on consistently making those gains, consistently making that money, you know, day after day after day after day, time over again, the same strategy. Yeah, you can adjust the strategy, but for what? It's making you money. It's like finding a hustle and then you change the hustle. It's like, what the fuck did you change the hustle for? Now you're not making as much money because you changed your hustle. So same thing like Forex, man. You gotta, like, in a sense, marry a few pairs. Like, only fuck with those pairs. Create a concrete set of rules, you know? I took a lot of losses before I started winning. Like, a lot of people won't tell you, oh man, but look, I said, okay, I was profitable in like 6 months, but that doesn't mean I was consistent. You feel me? Okay, you made a little money. Fucking everybody comes in Forex, learn a new strategy, make a little money, and blow their fucking account. They'll be out in a week. You know what I'm saying? They'll be out within a week, or they'll only trade for, like, you know, a few months, and oh man, I can't do this because you didn't learn the consistency part. So still in my story, like I said, so I was here before the whole Ocean Sky boom. If you guys don't remember Ocean Sky, that was like around the Periscope time. That shit, Periscope was lit back then too. I remember Periscope. I don't know if a lot of people even remember Periscope and how lit that was. And shit, sometimes I used to but watch Ocean Sky on Periscope too. Like, I was like, what the heck? Like, he broke, literally, it was like bro came out of the fucking blue. Riza, something with an M, Monconarin or some shit with an M, something like that. And I remember, I think bro actually, and let me tell you the truth about Ocean Sky, man. Look, bro was fucking like 97% from the board. Dude was actually a really, really good trader, and he would plan his trades out in front of you and really take the trade and make money. He was making money with these people. But I think, like, where bro fucked up is where a lot of foreign exchange traders fuck up, and that's trying to do the whole recruiting and trade shit. And see, they don't understand that, like, money is energy. So because, like, you're not trying to protect your energy because you want, you know, the $250 or 200 whatever, $200, $150, $100, you know what I'm saying? Fuck that little $100, fuck that little $200, fuck that little $300, fuck, that's not worth you fucking up my energy. You feel me? So, I mean, a lot of people, you gotta really get in tune with the true you. You have to get in tune with that money flow and that money energy, because that is what's gonna take you to the next level. That is what's gonna help you build that trading account. That's what's gonna help you grow. That's what's gonna help you, you know, go to where you need to go to and really get it cracking like that. I'm about to get myself something to drink. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, give me a second. But yeah, so like I said, like, that's my story. So when I start really getting successful, it's like I said, when I start paying attention to my own charts. After I cut out all of the noise, I'm like, yo, I can not fucking trade with all of these people. Like, I had a trading group. I used to teach and shit too, you know, like 4 or 5 years ago. So it'd take me long to start teaching. I followed the same route as everybody else was doing 4 or 5 years ago. Fucking learn this shit and go teach it and hustle. But then it was like, man, fuck that shit. I started dealing with people, and people gave me headaches. And I'm like, why the fuck would I deal with this headache when I know how to trade? You feel me? It was like, I don't even have to teach you. But you collect a little bread from them, now you feel indebted to them. It's like, no. So I shut all my shit down. I'm like, yo, I'm not teaching this shit no more. Fuck this. For what? I'm making the money. Shut it down. Start making the money. Shit, this is me popping back up. For a minute, your boy didn't disappear. You feel me? So it's like, Ty, where'd you go? I've been ducked off eating. You feel me? What do you mean? Getting my mind right, keeping my energy in a place to where I can keep my energy. You know what I'm saying? Fuck my fucking shorty calling. She be blowing my shit up, bro. Like, I love my girl, but nigga, she be going in on my phone. Like, and it just be little shit too. Like, hello? It's gonna rain tomorrow? Okay. The storage has to get invested. Shit, I feel you. The golden goose is only good if she lays eggs. Yeah, but I'm making a YouTube video right now. Alright. Need eggs, baby. Money needs to make babies. It's gonna fucking rain tomorrow. Nigga, that's not no shit you could have texted me. Hey, but you feel me though? But anyway, look, so yeah, so like I said, like for me, it was just staying focused, keeping that money energy, and just shit, sticking to my charts. And what a lot of you guys have learned, man, and as you progress and, you know, really do this Forex shit, is like, if you want to do this shit, really do this shit. Like, I got that shit tattooed on my face. I've been doing this shit for almost 10 years. You feel me? I got a big ass, fat ass trade or die tattooed on my back. Like, I do this shit for real. I don't have to trade to, I don't have to fucking recruit. I don't want nobody on my team or around me. Like, you gotta understand, my team is like the Lakers. It's not like all these other teams and everybody else. Like, look at my profile, my pages, and who I associate with. So I'm really peculiar and really picky about who the fuck I associate with and who can say they associate with me at the end of the day. And a lot of people, they will let a little $200, $400, $500. Nah, fuck that. My time and who I am as a person is much more valuable than that funky ass $100 or whatever the fuck. You feel me? So that's why I don't do that shit. So a lot of people also ask me, yo man, you don't really do the hotel shit. Nah, fuck no, because my whole stance has always been like trade or die. And that came after I cut off that whole group shit, and I was like, man, I'm not gonna run this shit no more. Like, I couldn't do that shit no more. It was like babysitting grown ass people, and like, I'm grown myself. I got a daughter and shit. The fuck I look like babysitting somebody else, you know? So that's where I was at. Like I said, we got the Grant Cardone in the back. That's probably why you hear him going and shit. But I just, like, in the videos that I told you guys be thinking I'm bullshitting. This is real day in the life shit. I don't have the computer powered up right now because, I mean, what's the point? You know what I'm saying? It's fucking the weekend. I could be looking at charts, but bro, I've already marked up my charts. Like, the thing is, I love my time. That's why I trade Forex, because I love my time. And really, I'm just trying to put this camera to use. I got this new camera, so I'm trying to put this bitch to use. You feel me? But really, it's just like, I love my time. I love doing the things that I like to do. You know, so why the fuck would I waste it doing shit that I don't want to do? That defeats my whole trading plan. That defeats the whole purpose of me even trading Forex. But seriously though, you know, so that's why I got involved. That's my story. Like I said, I've been doing this shit for what? I said 6 or 7 years, almost 10 years, yeah. So yeah, I've helped a lot of people trade. I have a lot of people make money, all that shit. The thing is, what's cool about my entire brand and my entire get down is you can look up my name, that Tyllionaire name, and like, I wear my testimonies. I wear what I went through, you know what I'm saying? I wear my story on my sleeve. You feel me? So shit, if you need to know anything, if you ever, oh, let me check his credibility, Tyllionaire, my nigga. Simple. You feel me? That nigga got the Forex blasted on the face, nigga, with the big ass TOD on the back. You feel me? Trade or die on my back. So this shit real. I treat it a lot different than a lot of people treat it. For me, it's really trade or die. Like, you're not gonna get much work, real work out of me. It's trade or die, nigga, like, at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, all right. But it's your boy Ty, man. Like I said, I just was really trying to get off on this this new camera. I wanted to see about this new vlogging camera, see what it's all about, and I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with it. You guys like the quality and shit? You know what I'm saying? Y'all like the quality? You know what I'm saying? I gotta pick up a thumbnail and, you know, and all of that. But hey, this is the story of how I got started trading Forex. So yeah, there was a lot of bumps and bruises. Like I said, man, the first few years, like, yeah, I was profitable, but then you don't remain profitable if you come in with a shitty strategy. Like, my strategy off the jump was like, it was pretty cool, but I mean, shit, first 6 months profitable. After that, it was kind of rocky. You feel me? Because, I mean, shit, it just, like, I lost touch with me. Like, I was so focused on everything and everybody else. Like, and that's the thing, like, I'm being transparent because I gotta let you guys know the real. Like, this trading shit is hard. You feel me? Well, it was, like, well, now it's robotic, so it's simple. But it's hard because it's the psychology. You have to break past fucking barriers in your own mind. Like, it's really hard to fucking just snatch the 10 or 30 pips. Like, your mind is like, nah, fuck that. I gotta get rich. I got bills, nigga. We got bills, nigga. You feel me? But these are real thoughts your shit is having. So yeah, you can't just hop in the market because now you're thinking, damn, how can I replace my paycheck? You're not thinking, oh, let me just 100 a day, boom, that's 3,000 a month, and I can use the 3 that, like, then compound that. Your mind's not thinking that shit, especially being new and coming in. The only thing you can think is, nigga, I'm about to get rich. But you feel me though? You feel me? So on that note, man, shit, Forex life. I could go outside, show you guys the fucking lights and shit, but I mean, tell you want to see some city lights, like, you know. But it's your boy Ty, man, and I'm out.